the most experienced, or even the smartest, let me take you on a journey. I still remember my first day or my enrollment in Primon. Teacher Sam interviewed me with a lot of fun questions, and I still even remember one question that was asked to me. Ano ang shape ni Patrick Star? Siyempre, sinabi ko, star. Di ba, Teacher Sam? Now, when I enrolled in Primon, I instantly knew that that would become the school for me. Because all the teachers that I met were so nice, and the place was just buzzing with fun and enjoyment. Now, when I went to kinder and nursery, I still remember all the movies that we watched on Friday days. Movies like Frozen. We would even bring our own snacks and our own pillows. And I also remember Teacher Lois reading books to us, but I was just playing in the back with blocks. I even still remember a nickname that I got because I was just roaming around. Congressman. Lupit, di ba? Charis. Now, when we reached into grade 1, we got a lot more serious about our lessons. But we still were able to have playtime always after school, where we would bond with our classmates and create fun memories. And then the pandemic happened, and we had to do online classes, which I must admit, it was a bit hard at first because we had to learn Google Meet and start printing out our modules and exam papers. But with the help of teachers like Teacher Lyra, Teacher Lane, Teacher Jazz, and many more teachers, we still had fun and enjoyed almost every activity. And I even remember every Friday with Teacher Lyra, when we were grade 4 and 5, we would always play Kahoot. And even one memory, during science class, there was always a skeleton behind Teacher Lyra, which sometimes distracted us from the lessons. And we gave that skeleton a name, Annabelle, if you still remember. Now, back in grade 5, we went back to face-to-face classes mixed with online classes. And subjects got harder. But with the help of our teachers, it was once again a fun experience for us. And then grade 6, where we all started preparing for our graduation and our life in high school, where we had to take all examinations to get into the schools we wanted. Now, at first, I was very scared because for me, Primon had been my home for 9 years, and all the teachers were like my second parents. But once again, all the teachers made me feel comfortable and ready to go into my high school life. And let's not forget Foundation Day, which was for me the most exciting day in each school year because we got to play and had fun. We got to be competitive, but at the end of the day, we created long-lasting memories. Now, why did I tell you all this anyways? Why did I tell you all about my memories? Well, it's to remind you that Primon isn't just a school. It's our second home. It's the place that nurtures us, gives us great memories, and great lessons that we will carry with us throughout the rest of our lives. But Primon doesn't just give us fun, it also teaches us lifelong lessons. For me personally, I've gotten lessons from Primon that I still apply as a high school student now. Lessons like how you should always give out your best effort no matter how small the task is, how you should always help others out, and how you should always have fun in everything you do. After all this, I thank not only our beloved teachers, but also our Lord for letting me be part of our amazing family in Primont, for giving me memories, lessons, and my foundation to build my career upon, and also lifelong friends, including my two closest friends there, right there in the stands, Keith Rosete and Eliha Capitana III. Wave your hand. Now, after all that, I have one simple wish for Primont, for it to continue growing, but to never lose the charm that made it so special in the first place, not only for me, but for all my fellow Primontians here. Once again, I am Arden Paul B. Claridad from Batch 2024 as the salutatorian of that batch. And on behalf of all my fellow Primontians here, I thank you to all of our beloved teachers, current or former. Teacher Sam, Teacher Joy, Teacher Army, Teacher Je, Teacher Lyra, Teacher Lane, Teacher Jazz, and to all our other teachers. We thank all of you for giving us a chance and for nurturing us to who we would become. Maraming salamat po.